Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Shah Sarn's attack on Congress calls Rahul lying machine. Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched a ballistic attack on the Congress party, accusing Rahul Gandhi of running a campaign to bring back terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir by restoring Article 370. The Agniveer scheme has been implemented. The Congress, especially Rahul Gandhi, is playing politics on it. Shah alleged in a rally in Bhiwani, which is known for producing the maximum number of soldiers in the Indian army. Shah called Rahul Gandhi a lying machine and took a strong aim at the Congress leader's stance on reservation and national security. He also reiterated that as BJP, as long as the BJP is in power, Article 370 will not be reinstated. Not only will we never allow Article 370 to return, but we also believe that Pakistan occupied Kashmir is a part of India. Shah said while addressing the gathering. Shah challenged former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda to account for his decades long rule, accusing him of neglecting the state's farmers and development. Hooda must come to Faridabad Chowk with a list of what he has done for the state. Shah dared, highlighting that under the Congress regime, only four crops were covered under minimum support price, whereas the BJP has expanded it to 24 crops. Shah affirmed that Naib Singh Saini is the BJP's chief ministerial candidate for Haryana, putting an end to any speculations regarding other contenders like Anil Vij and Rao Inderjit Singh. Naib Saini is our face in Haryana, and we will stand by him to lead the state, Shah declared, solidifying the party's stance ahead of the upcoming elections. The Home Minister also took the opportunity to accuse Rahul Gandhi of trying to eliminate the reservation for SC, ST, and OBC communities. Rahul Gandhi has spoken against reservation in the US, but as long as the BJP is here, we wouldn't let anyone touch the reservation system. Shah reassured the crowd during his speech. Shah highlighted the welfare initiatives that the BJP government has introduced for the state, emphasizing that under BJP, Haryana has emerged as a model of development. He praised the Agniveer scheme, stating that the Congress is spreading spreading lies about it while BJP is providing job reservations for Agniveer soldiers in Haryana. Shah also laid out the achievements of the Modi government, particularly in benefiting soldiers, athletes, and farmers. Haryana is the land of brave soldiers, fierce athletes, and hardworking farmers, and the Modi government has policies to uplift all of them, Shah stated. He went on to announce that the BJP government had increased the creamy layer limits for OBC reservations from 6 lakhs to 8 lakh and had provided additional financial support of Rs 4,000 per acre for pulse and oilseed farmers. Shah highlighted that in Bhiwani district alone, Rs 297 crore has been transferred directly to farmers' accounts and over 6 lakh people are benefiting from the Ayushman Bharat health scheme. Shah paid tribute to former Haryana CM Bansi Lal, acknowledging his contributions to the state. He further praised the state as a major producer of grains and a powerhouse of athletes. Shah urged the people of Lohru to vote for outing Finance Minister and MLA Jayaprakash Dalal. He hinted at a bigger role for Dalal should he win, asking the constituency's residents to send him to Chandigarh and leave the rest to the BJP. Thank you guys for watching this. You should also